Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. Today I just wanted to take a chance to explain Sale-a-bration from Stampin' Up. Sale-a-bration has been going on since towards the beginning of January, and it is, I've always called it the happiest time of year with Stampin' Up because we have some really good offers for ordering, hosting, and signing up. So I just wanted to take a minute and explain them because I know a lot of times things make more sense when you hear them than if you're trying to read them on a screen. So many of you who shop with me or with other Stampin' Up demonstrators have one of these brochures. If you do not have one of these, you can find this if you go to my website, scrappingstampingandstuff.com, click on products and then catalogs, and you will find the PDF version of this that you can take a look at. You can also find this information on under the Sale-a-bration link on my page or just at stampinup.com as well. So let's talk about the ordering special first. If you order, with every $50 you order right now through the end of February, you get to choose a free gift of the offerings in this cute little brochure. So what are some of those offerings? We have full stamp sets. We have some really neat paper packs as well. So we have cute stamp sets, funny stamp sets, really sweet and sentimental stamp sets. And then we have 6x6 and 12x12 paper packs. Now, if you're looking online, they're going to be divided into categories because some of them are actually free with a $50 order and some are free with a $100 order. So, for example, in the brochure, you're going to see these little bubbles that say free with $50 purchase. And most of them are free with $50 purchase. Then when you get back to the back of this catalog, there are a couple that are free with a $100 purchase, such as the berry bundle here on pages 14 and 15. So let's say you make, there's no limit to how many you can receive. So let's say you place a $100 order. You can either choose one of these $100 items or two $50 items. If you place a $150 order, you can get three $50 items or a $100 item and a $50 item. And when you're at $150, you also start earning hostess rewards. So you're going to get some free product credit to spend on anything you choose. So that covers the ordering special. Now let's talk about the hosting special. And you don't actually have to host to get this offer, but it has to be a $300 order. So you can either collect a few orders from friends, or if you really need to stock up on cardstocks or inks, or there are a lot of bundles or stamps that you want to order, you can get this special just by placing a $300 order yourself as well. So this one is on pages 16 and 17 in this little brochure, or you can find it online, and it's called the Punch Party Stamp Set. And it is really cute. It coordinates with a whole bunch of our punches. It's got cute little greetings, some little frames for punches. So it's a really nice set, and it is absolutely free with a $300 order. And that does not include all of the other rewards you're going to get. So let's say you placed a $300 order yourself, which you wouldn't have to, you could collect from friends, but you are going to get all of those Sale-a-bration rewards. So you could get 6 $50 items for free or 3 $100 items for free. And you're going to get regular hostess rewards, which is going to be approximately $40 in free product credit as well. So that's the hosting special. Now we also have a sign up special, which is very back in the catalog. Now, all you paper crafters out there, do you love paper? Do you love paper? I think we all love paper. A lot of us hoard paper, but look at all that pretty paper on this page. So if you sign up with Stampin' Up right now, you get the regular sign up special that's good all the time. I'll explain that real quickly first. The starter kit comes with $125 worth of products, and you only pay $99 for that. You get free shipping, you get a past paper pumpkin kit from Stampin' Up, you get some other catalogs and some other things, and the best part of it is you get that $125 worth of products that you get to choose. Stampin' Up does not have a preset kit that you get. You get to choose that $125 worth of products, and you only pay $99 for it. So that offer is good all the time. What's special right now during Sale-a-bration is you are going to get a boatload of paper in addition to your starter kit for absolutely free. So you're actually going to get 5 packs of 6x6 inch paper completely free. There are, I believe, 40 pages per pack. So I believe that comes to 200 sheets of paper for absolutely free. They're these beautiful monochromatic prints that have different designs on them, and they're really nice to use on card projects or scrapbook pages as well. So that's a really good offer. I am going to be talking more about signing up here in a few days. I'm doing a special that I will be sharing here on Facebook and in my here on YouTube and in my Facebook group. But I'll be sharing a lot about, you know, the requirements of signing up, which there are not very many at all, but the benefits, and just answering all the questions that people usually have about that, because it's a really good offer and there are very few requirements. And really, if you don't stay as a demonstrator after you've signed up, there's really not a lot to lose. So I really encourage people to try it if it is something they're thinking about. So there you have it. Those are the specials for Sale-a-bration. If you have questions, please let me know. If you are ordering, hosting, or signing up, I would love for you to do that through me if you do not have another Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And you can find details and get a link to my site for all of this information in the video description below.